Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix when your PlayStation 5 is automatically or randomly turning off on you. Now on the home screen here, let's go up to the settings right here and select this and scroll on down to screen and video. There's one setting under here that we want to go ahead and check. So go to screen and then go to the dim screen while inactive. Maybe this is just really dark and you can't see that your PlayStation is still turned on. You can turn off this dim by going to do not dim or set it to like 30 minutes or something like that. Let's back out of here now and scroll on down to system. Now under here, we want to go to HDMI. And this is one reason why your TV might be turning off on you. This is called HDMI device link. If you read the description, for one touch play, it says if you turn on the PS5, the connected device will also turn on and switch its input to the PS5. So if you turn on your PS5, your TV will also turn on. And then for enable power off link, this is why your PS5 is turning off. If you turn off the device connected to your PS5 will enter rest mode. So if you turn off your TV, your PS5 will enter rest mode. Or it could be like a soundbar or another HDMI device that you have on your setup. So make sure you have this turned off if your PS5 is randomly turning off. Then if we want to stop the automatic timer on the PlayStation 5, we want to go to power savings, then go to the right and go to set time until PS5 enters rest mode. And you have two options under here. You have during media playback. So if you're watching a movie, most movies are about 2 to 3 hours long. So I set mine to 4 hours. So if I'm inactive, not touching my controller, my PlayStation 5 will turn off after 4 hours. Then I set to 1 hour for games. So if I have my controller down and I'm not touching it for 1 hour, my PlayStation 5 will turn off automatically. Now you can always go to do not put into rest mode right here if you don't want to turn it off after a certain amount of time. So hopefully this video did indeed help you guys out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.